Jobs number on target. And I guess the speech said that MAGA is the new deplorables. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, the 2nd of September, Jobs Friday, and they came in just pretty right as expected. I think the employment rate was higher, the number of employed, but who knows? The numbers are so ridiculous; it's hard to decipher. And this goes back for 50 years. At the way they look at this number, and they use the wrong pattern. Anyways, they should be using the U6, but that's a story for another day. Markets reacted up and down, and they're higher now. And the dead cat bounce we said was going to come yesterday is just continuing. I don't think that it's anything to think about. I think it's just really another selling opportunity when you get to a level of resistance. Nothing has changed in the economy. The economy sucks. Okay. In the meantime, bonds and notes are higher this morning. We're short. And, look, when you look at them, you understand that that there's going to be some movement. There's always going to be what you would call a dead cat bounce or a short covering rally or an oversold bounce. They happen all the time. I mean, just like gold and silver today. Okay. I mean, gold and silver are getting a little bit of a bounce. Why? Because they've been oversold. Listen, you can only drag them down so low before you attract some buyers, and then the sellers come back. Okay. So we're still short both gold and silver. The crude oil is charging higher. We are now short crude as of this morning. We sold into this rally. Again, I still think crude's going a lot higher, but the patterns right now say that it's going to go lower, so we'll be short until that changes. The dollar's lower, we're long. Euro currency's higher, we're short. Bitcoin is higher, we're long. Copper is up, and we're short. We sold into this rally as well this morning. And the natural gas is a little bit lower, and we're so long. But natural gas is probably going to explode higher. This energy is a very tricky little market right now, but we'll see what it looks like. In the meantime, grains are up across the board, and we're long across the board. Yesterday they were down across the board. This grain trade is a joke right now. Okay, we're in between. I guess we're just starting some harvest a little bit, but again, still very early. At the end of the day, I would suggest they're going much higher, no matter what happens. But we are long right now, anyways. In the meats or the protein, feeders are flat, fats are higher, and hogs are lower. We're short all three, so it's easy. Okay. Now again, I don't think they're going a lot lower either. I think they're going to vacillate, but I think this is a great short trade. The probabilities that they break harder than they can rally is in your favor. In the softs, you've got cocoa higher, we're short. Cotton lower, we're long. Sugar higher, we're short. OJ lower, we're long, and coffee lower, we're long. But I think the commodities are going to explode. Look, it is what it is. You just have to. This is a holiday weekend. The trade is vile. Okay, and I'm going to the pool as soon as the sun hits my backyard. After a couple of interviews later. In the meantime, hello to Charlotte. What's up, Charlotte? How you doing? And everybody have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Sundays. Bubba's Bottom Line. Don't forget about our sponsors, Capital Trading Group for our futures and commodities, and Trade Your Brokerage, who's also sponsoring our Vegas event. And if you open an account or have an account with them, you will get to take advantage of the early bird that we offered that is no longer available. But if you're with them as a customer or open a new account, it's worth like $500. Okay. And of course, again, we'll see you on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. In the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. Enjoy your Labor Day, and we'll see some of you tomorrow for our hedging. We're doing our last hedging presentation tomorrow. Okay. If you haven't hedged yet, shame on you, but you can certainly it's never too late to be able to stay in the market. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you later.